Is the mattress industry the next one to be disrupted? With brands like Eve, Casper, Leesa, and Keetsa, these startups are promising a simpler mattress buying experience minus the showrooms. Joining us now from our London bureau is WSJ reporter Charlie Wells. Hi, Charlie. Great to see you.
Great to see you.
So, Charlie, what is behind this mattress moment? Why does it seem all these startups are focusing on mattresses all at once? I mean, I know here in New York, I'm suddenly seeing Casper ads everywhere.
They're everywhere. And Tanya, you're going to have to pardon the pun, but a lot of these entrepreneurs are saying that there's a little bit too much fluff in the mattress industry. So in the United States, the mattress industry is worth about $14 billion. There's a lot of legacy players that have been in the business for a long time. They've got huge showrooms. They offer, 800 different types of mattresses. They have salespeople that they need to pay. And these entrepreneurs are saying, let's cut those. Let's offer simple mattresses, and we will pass those savings on to the consumer.
So what are these mattress companies offering consumers aside from an easy online buying experience?
Essentially, they're offering a lot less than a legacy player. So what they're doing is they're saying that they found the one or two mattresses that say 95% of people need. So they're really simplifying things, and they're making it easy to buy. So instead of dealing with the salesman, you go online, you can use your credit card, and they'll deliver those mattresses straight to your door.
So people are given just one or two choices, hard or soft?
That's right. Basically, sort of the science of sleep seems to be evolving, and people are sort of realizing they spend a huge amount of time sleeping and need to sort of use different techniques and look for different products. And so this wave is sort of buying into that trend.
So what is the price point for most of these online mattresses, and how are they shipped?
So a lot of these entrepreneurs say that paying $2,000 for a mattress, like you would pay for a luxury mattress, is too much. So their price points tend to be about $600–700 on the low end to about $1,000 on the high end. And essentially, these are shipped to consumers in a really interesting way. So most of these startups use similar mattresses. They're made out of memory foam. And because they're made out of memory foam, they can shrink down. They're actually packed by these machines that sort of look like hands, wrapped in a sort of saran wrap, and stuffed into a cardboard box that's about the size of a mini fridge. So it makes them actually a lot easier to ship than you might think.
Well, see, I'm with you here all the way until this point, because I know that they mostly offer money-back trials since they don't have showrooms. You try it out. If you don't like it, you can send it back. But how the heck would you get one of those back into the box?
It's tough. There are videos out there on YouTube that a lot of customers have made showing how they open this mattress. And it sort of looks like if you hit a really tightly wound sponge with water and it just sort of, boom, kind of exploded. So what these companies do is, if you're not happy with the mattress, usually during a period of about 100 nights they give you to try out the thing, they will send someone to your home who will carry out the mattress for you. And usually they'll donate it to a local charity.
Ah, okay, all right. So what are the materials mostly being used in these mattresses? I know for a while there was a craze for organic mattresses. What are the products they're using?
Some of these startups are talking about organic materials, and I actually talked to a number of these, Keetsa, I think Satva as well. They sort of claim to use organic cottons or sort of fibers that are a little bit more natural. But their chief executives essentially say, this is not a green mattress. This,
right.
We're not going to, make promises that we can't make here. Most of these are made from, there's an Aveeno foam. There's sort of different types of memory foam, and then sort of a cotton layer. Latex is a big material here. So these are certainly not eco-friendly mattresses.
Okay, but they're not sprayed with that fireproofing synthetic that a lot of people don't want on their mattresses.
Some of them are. Some of them are. And actually, a number of bloggers have written about the smell of this sort of memory foam fire retardant and compared the smell to very strong coffee. Ah,
very interesting. Well, I know that sometimes latex has a smell as well, but I would far prefer latex than anything with that fire retardant on it. Well, Charlie, thanks so much. It's certainly intriguing. It makes me want to try one out. Have you tried one out?
I have not. I think, my journalistic integrity makes me, want to not order from any of these companies. But I think that, as these become more popular and, they're starting to do some showrooming as well. So offering their own sort of limited showrooms, I might need to go lie on one.
Yes, that's true. There are some places here in New York where you can go check them out. Well, thank you so much, Charlie, for that report.
Great to be here.